Have you ever added shapes, images, or text to a slide and wished you could control what sits on top or behind everything else? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use layers in Google Slides so your designs look clean, intentional, and professional. Start by opening Google Slides. Head to slides.google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account so your work saves automatically. From the homepage, you can open an existing presentation or create a new one. A blank slide works great, but a template can save you time if you want something more polished right away. Once your slide is open, add a few elements to work with. Click Insert, then Shape, and choose something like a rectangle or circle. Add 2 or 3 shapes so you can really see layering in action. You can also mix in images or text boxes. The layering tools work on all of them. Now comes the fun part. Click on any object to select it, then go to the Arrange menu at the top. Hover over Order and you'll see 4 layer controls. Bring to front puts the object at the very top layer. Send to back moves it behind everything else. Bring forward moves it up 1 layer at a time. Send backward moves it down just 1 level. These options give you full control over how elements stack on your slide. For example, if a shape is covering your text, just select the text box and bring it forward. If an image needs to sit behind a title, send the image backward or all the way to the back. Layering isn't just about aesthetics. It's about clarity and focus. You can highlight key information, create depth, and make your layout feel intentional instead of cluttered. Use these tools to build layouts where nothing overlaps awkwardly and every element has its place. Try combining shapes, images, and text, then move each piece around with the order options until your slide looks exactly how you imagined. That's the power of layers in Google Slides. Simple tools that make a big difference in visual design. If this helped you level up your presentation game, stick around for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.